Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing great today. If you've ever wondered about how policies are created and influenced in our society, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the concept of policy networks. So, grab a cozy seat and let's unpack this fascinating topic together. But first, let me ask you this: have you ever thought about who really influences the decisions that shape our laws and policies? Is it just politicians, or are there other players involved? This brings us to the idea of policy networks. A policy network is essentially a group of various stakeholders who come together to influence public policy. These stakeholders can include government officials, non-governmental organizations, businesses, interest groups, and even citizens. Think of it as a web of relationships where each participant has a role in shaping outcomes. Let's break it down further. Imagine a scenario where a city is planning to improve its public transportation system. In this case, the policy network might include 1. Government officials, city planners and local government members who propose policies. 2. Transport companies, businesses that provide transportation services and have insights on what works. 3. Community groups, local organizations that represent the needs and desires of residents. 4. Academics, researchers who provide data and best practices based on studies conducted elsewhere. 5. Citizens, the everyday people who use the transportation system and whose feedback is crucial. This diverse participation ensures that the policy is well-rounded and considers various perspectives. Now, why are policy networks important? Well, they facilitate collaboration and communication among different stakeholders. This is crucial because policies often impact multiple areas of life and require input from various sectors. For example, if we look at environmental policies, you'd want input from environmental scientists, businesses, local communities, and government agencies to create effective legislation. One notable example of a successful policy network is the development of the Paris Agreement on climate change. This international treaty was shaped by interactions between countries, non-governmental organizations, scientists, and the private sector. Through negotiations, each group had a chance to express their concerns and priorities, leading to a more comprehensive agreement. According to the United Nations, over 190 countries have committed to the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius. This illustrates how effective collaboration within a policy network can lead to significant global outcomes. But what are the benefits of these networks? Here are a few key points. 1. Enhanced knowledge sharing. Stakeholders can leverage each other's expertise. 2. Increased legitimacy. Policies developed through collaboration often have higher public trust. 3. Better resource allocation. By pooling resources, stakeholders can achieve more impactful outcomes. For the innovative solutions, diverse viewpoints can spark creativity and innovation in problem solving. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Policy networks can also face challenges, such as power imbalances where certain stakeholders dominate decisions, or conflicts of interest that can complicate collaboration. Moreover, the effectiveness of a policy network can depend on its structure. A well-organized network with clear communication channels is more likely to succeed than one that is loosely connected. So, to wrap it all up, a policy network is a collaborative framework where multiple stakeholders come together to influence and create public policy. By including various voices, from government officials to everyday citizens, these networks can lead to more effective and comprehensive policies. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content like this. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the role of policy networks in shaping our society? Leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.